That's all you need for a great day at the park. I've done a wire tuck, if you want to call it that, on mine. Stuck that little FPV camera on the front of it. I soldered it to that little capacitor there, and it could not have fit any better. It just simply couldn't have. It's just not possible. And it just got repaired. And so since I was repairing it, I went ahead and put the stuff on the blades. I did it all. And now, oh, you can stop it. But it's been my experience, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. If you break this little thing, chances are you deserved it. Oh, hell, mate.